Oh, intro.
Ah, cool. Okay, this thing is so cute already. I can tell. Pochito. Pochito.
How does he have his eyes there?
It's an actual chainsaw.
This animation looks so interesting.
Yeah. Isn't it Mappa, right?
Yeah. What? Head on the lap, or do you Subaru Natsuki? What the heck is
What
he
is
eating?
that?
Does that make him this chainsaw man? I wonder, do they all like change into things, or is it just him?
Yeah.
Oh, gosh, the way it comes out of him is like so fucking crazy. I'm like anticipating seeing it like happen in the show for the first time. It's like when the blades come out of Wolverine, but like on steroids. It's coming out of your freaking forehead. What the?
Oh, wow.
This does have like some elements that remind me of Jujutsu.
That was a good intro. I liked it.